What? What are you? What am I? You know, two questions that science does not have an answer to. Two of the biggest unanswered questions that I would think science would have found an answer to this by now, but I guess not. Not yet. You know what those questions are? What is consciousness? Where does it come from? Does it come from somewhere? They don't know what it is. Scientists don't know what the source that you're seeing this video with is. It's a mystery. The other question that science does not know the answer to, again, a big surprise, maybe, is what is anything made of? It's a mystery. Sure, science recognizes patterns and calls it atoms, and there's names for certain things, labeling these patterns, but what it actually is made of, what is an electron made of? What are you made of? What am I made of? Also, a complete and total mystery. So a mystery is looking through my eyes at you. And you, the mystery, is staring right back at me. And this, my friend, is exactly what Imagine That, the journey of your miraculous self, inside and out, is all about. Exploring, celebrating, investigating the mystery that you are, that we are. Where do our problems come from? Are they really problems? Are we really who we think we are? Are you really who you think you are? Am I who I think I am? Is that what I am? Am I a thought? Are you a thought? Where do those thoughts come from? Maybe we're not a thought. Maybe we're not even a collection of thoughts. Maybe we are beyond what we think we are. So there you have it. The cat, so to speak, is out of the bag. I've been getting some questions about what is this Imagine That, the journey of your miraculous self inside and out, other than a mouthful. It is a mouthful. This unprogram that I'm participating and co-creating in. It's about getting honest, getting really rigorously honest with our direct experience. Who are you? Who am I? What is all of this? You can find out more and join Imagine That in the pinned post on my Instagram and on my Facebook page. My Our next meeting is a week from tomorrow. See you